Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you some Easter eggs which you probably don't know about. Type Google's name backwards and search. Click on the first link which is Google Mirror, and here you will see some official Easter eggs by Google. Let's try the first one, which is Google underwater. Here Google search engine went to underwater. Here second one is Thanos snap trick. Let's click on infinity gauntlet and it will snap. Let's try few more options. Here you can see plenty of options right here. Here are some unofficial versions too. Let's try Google 1998 version. This is Google's classical version. Let's have some search here. And it will show us search results. Let's close it. And here are some fan-made unofficial Easter eggs. Let's try zipper. Let's drag it down. How amazing it is. And here are plenty of games also, like dinosaur game, Mario game, snake game. Let's try Pac-Man game, which was classical arcade 1980s game. Let's close it now. Here are plenty more options like Google's dark mode. Guys, have fun trying all these. Thanks for watching guys.